like summer. I feel like summer.
It's a new day. I've decided I want to do my nails on my own because going to the nail salon is so stressful. I saw these ones on TikTok. I think Destiny Lachey on YouTube uses them since I don't know how long. Would remove these ones. I already started here. We'll see how it's going to look because I have to leave in 1 hour. So you know, I bought them from Amazon US. Please click the link down below so you can see the full tutorial. The glue I bought from Amazon Germany. In total I paid $52.81. I have this old machine I sometimes use to remove my nails. Here I have some liquids, nail polishes, whatever. Olefin Special Versiegler, I think this is the code. Matte top coat, base coat, builder coat. I realized that I don't have my UV light, the LED light. My mom is reading the Bible.
I'm a piano, it's a big vibe, but the girls them know. I'm a piano.
A few moments later.
Guys, this is the first time I'm seeing Congo and I don't have coins with me. Oh, okay, Julia got some coins. Yeah. You want to say hi? Guys, I did my nails. They're from Amazon.
This time of the year, I can't ignore it. I can't assure it. I've been to New York. I've been to Houston.
Nice, no?
Nothing's better than me.
Guys, these headphones. Ich hab gedacht, die Musik kommt aus der Decke. You enter a room and now they're playing Burna Boy. Dann auch noch dieses Lied, also das ist nicht, that's for us. We always geschminkt to fight for your love. Oh yeah, I'm now looking for a trolley and I'm not sure which one to take. Bei den hier.
Das große?
Ja, ich hab's in Spanien geholt. This one here.
Ja, genau, den hab ich auch.
Guys, get your hands.
Ist das die Größe?
Nein, das ist kleine.
Ach, ich wollte sagen.
Get your hands on this one. Lip gloss of the day. This one here. Guys, it smells very nice, but I want this one and this one. I'm not finished smelling everything. Guys, I fell in love with these two candles.
You know if you know no new man, you know I'm not a stranger.
We brought us to a Korean restaurant. I don't know what it is. That fries? It smells like fries. Let's try. Oh, they're good. I don't know if you can see it. I didn't.
Stranger, you want to know what you comfortable.
Yeah, danke.
You're comfortable. I know, no.
It's time to remove the phone here. have your rice, potatoes. What's that messing up? No, I only have this. I don't know how to. I'm gonna eat with my hands. It's not rice and pepper. Guys, this lady here is so weird. She picked salt and pepper and she started screaming at me because I took too much. So I have salt and pepper mixed with oil. The food. Oh my God. I can't eat it now. I'm going to eat with my hands and so. Yeah. There's a shrimp. I don't think you can go wrong with shrimp because it tastes the same everywhere.
Die besten Schrimps, die wir gegessen haben, waren Hamburg. Die waren schön in Knoblauchöl eingelegt. Ich mag keine Schrimps eigentlich.
Really? It's very hot.
Wirklich lecker. Ich verstehe, warum die dreimal Milch gemacht haben.
The potatoes are cold, take all and grill them. Sweet and sour sauce, what is it gesagt? Das ist bean, something with beans. Huh?
Paste.
Yeah, bean paste. Let me try this one first. I don't like it. It's not bad, but
Okay.
it's getting hot in here.
Hey. Sharp.
I like this one. Yeah, here with my seasoning.
Hey, is papa.
When Julia does her videos, her Snapchat thingies, she speaks French. C'est trop bon, ça pique un peu. Let's speak French. Alors, Julia m'a amené dans un restaurant coréen. Là, la viande est prête à manger. Weißt du, warum ich prête à manger, weißt du? C'est un restaurant prêt à manger. Un café, so wie Starbucks. Ça est prêt à manger. Oui, Sophie, le vote, je connais. Je vais biper, mais le biper. Vous avez bilingue et lingue.
Vous avez bilingue.
Donc, ça c'est les rindfleisch. Beef. Ah, corned beef. Allez, machango la marina nanga. Bouillé. Et déjà lingala. Allez, donc on a besoin de lingala. Allez, on a besoin de viande nanga. On a mélangé, on n'a pas viande mais sous pour mariner. On a besoin de mélanger très bien.
Sehr gut.
Sehr gut, danke.
Sehr gut, danke.
Bombastic side-eye.
Ça, on mariner en 2 minutes. Allez. En tout cas, ça c'est au place où il y a une huile qui sont na futa, mais na lamba. Mais
T'aimes pas?
je suis stressée. Première fois, na liari, na lingangote. Let's go back to English. You do this. Just try to make it as flat as possible. You take your meat, put it in any sauce. I put mine in sweet sour sauce. Take another portion of rice, flatten it out, and you put it on top. And there you go. A rice beef burger. It's actually good.
Criminal offensive side eye.
Hast du das nicht gehört, wie das rausgekommen ist?
Ja,
Das ist eine Katastrophe.
echt?
Der einzige Schiss ist nur Logo, ja.
Was ist das? Das ist Orangenzeug.
Süßkartoffeln?
Sweet potatoes? Compare it with sweet potatoes, so I'll warm it up as well. And this one was that?
Irgend mit Fleisch drüber.
This is filled with meat, I will warm it up as well. This setup reminds me when last year November, I think it was the Life with Seamus vlog part 11, where I went with my friends to Rotterdam and Amsterdam, and we went to a Turkish barbecue. But the Turkish barbecue was nicer because you had more options. Fine, that's one all you can eat barbecue. I will link the vlog down below. Guys, I'm going to remove my braids tomorrow. To this lovely hairstyle, my braids they're going off because I'm rocking my fro again. It's an oily sweet potato. I don't know what this is, but me don't like it.
A few moments later.
As we came to the end, every one of us paid 32,40 €.
Zur Information, dieser Zug fährt gleich vor dem Bau.
Guys, I'm tired. And I'm drinking Schweppes ginger ale. And she's drinking
Wildberry. Premium Wildberry.
No, I know I can't let you go. I know.
12 o'clock midnight.
Well, hello. Almost 1 a.m. in the morning. This morning, actually yesterday morning, I received my package. Guys, I finally got my hands on sensational wigs. I found 2 websites who sell these and ship to Germany. Guys, the shipping is crazy. In my Life with Shameless vlog 14.2, when I got the silk press and I was trying to find a very, very good hair straightener. A lot of hair salons and hairstylists I was watching, they were using a particular hair straightener. This one here, this is the Red Pro Titanium 460 hair straightener. First wiggity wig is a sensational Cloud 9 Swiss lace, the What Lace series. I will do a TikTok about it and a YouTube tutorial, of course. I'm excited for this one. Also from Sensational, the Vice Unit 14 wig with some gray highlights. If you've been following me for since I started YouTube, I was rocking gray hair. My favorite hair color was literally gray. gray braids, twist wigs, crochet. And here I bought, I think it's Developer. Yes, it's LINK𝓢. Yeah, that's it. I am super excited. Including shipping, I paid 217 euros. That's it for today. Have a good night. Stay blessed. Bye.